Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Robert Ward. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Here we have a 2016 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors, chrome door handles, and window trim, as well as lightly tinted glass. The 2016 Nissan Altima has high safety scores, great overall performance, and a spacious and quiet cabin. This Nissan has 16-inch steel wheels with wheel covers and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Nissan is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam halogen headlamps with delay off, along with speed-sensitive wipers, and really nice black grille with chrome accents to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine with variable transmission. This Nissan has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 31 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Nissan only has 38,276 miles on it. At the back of the Nissan you can see the quasi-dual chrome tip exhaust, large brake lights, and the sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob you can open this trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking into the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features concealed storage and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat you'll notice that this Nissan has a very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth trim seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Nissan is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the trunk release, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver one touch up and down. This Nissan has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 4 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the auxiliary port. This advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car at any time. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.